Good morning students, myself Rajni Madhukar and I am once again here for you for the Gokuldas Public School structure based online classes. Now students, we finished in the last lecture we finished our chapter number 5. That chapter related to food and we completed all the things of all the questions, this question answer, book exercise, new words and so many things we completed. Now today we will start new chapter, that is the chapter number 6. Okay, now student, when we start any chapter or you see my video, that time you have to open, means keep your book with you and open the chapter. Okay, means page number 33, chapter number 6. Okay, now the chapter name is food and nutrition. Okay, what is the name of the chapter? Food and nutrition. Okay, now students, in this chapter, in the last chapter, what I explain you about the food, that is the chapter number 5. Okay, food means how we get food and different types of food items. Okay, and how we divide the different categories, means cereals, pulses, fruits and vegetables. These are the food for us, but who gave us that food? Plant. Okay, means food we get from the plants. About that I explain you in the chapter number 5. Now in this chapter we will discuss about the nutrients. Okay, what I explained you about the nutrients. Okay, clear? Now in the 5th chapter I also explain you about it. What are the nutrients, what is the function of the nutrients, okay, and what are the sources of the nutrients, means which food product give us these nutrients. Okay, and we also give the name of that nutrients. Okay, means in the 5th chapter I explain you those are the cereals. Okay, are food grains. They are rich in which nutrients? Carbohydrates. Means food grains are cereals give us which thing? Carbohydrates. Okay, now the pulses. Okay, do you understand what is the pulses? I explain you about it. Pulses are the rich source of protein, means the carbohydrate and protein. These are the nutrients. Those are present in our food. Okay, after that I also explain you about the fats. Okay, fats also nutrients. Those are present in the food items. You have that. Now after that, oil is the types of fat. Okay, after that, next vitamins. Okay, vitamins and minerals. Okay, these are the nutrients. Those are present in the food items. Okay, clear? Now which types of food item give us carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals? Okay, for this thing in this chapter I explain you about that. Okay, now how they function for our body. In the last lecture we discussed about the which types of food give us carbohydrate, which types of food items give us protein, which types of vegetables and which type of fruits or dry fruits give us whatever we get from that. Okay, clear? So we should discuss about that. Now in this chapter we should learn about the function of the nutrients. Okay, how they work for us. Carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals, how provide energy to our body. Okay, and how they work for our body. So we should discuss about it in this chapter. Okay, now before that I explain you about the nutrients. Nutrients means these are the substances those are present in our food. Okay, clear? If you have cereals or food grains, means if you eat wheat, rice, oats, maize, corn, this food item give you which nutrients? Carbohydrates. Means from that food items provide us carbohydrates. If you have pulses, आप कोई भी दाल खाओगे तो you get protein. Okay, and beside the pulses के अलावा या दालों के अलावा अगर हम और कुछ खाएंगे, ओके, मीन्स एग, अगर आप अंडा खाते हो तो यू गेट प्रोटीन फ्रॉम दी एग. ओके, नॉट पल्सेस, ओनली पल्सेस गिव अस प्रोटीन. क्लियर? एग एंड सम other food items provide us protein. Okay, means some fruits also give us proteins. Okay, and milk, curd, means these things give us protein. Okay, clear? Now the carbohydrates, there are so many food items give us carbohydrates. Okay, clear? Now after that fats means these are the oil. We get oil from the seeds. I explain you about that. Oil are the source of fats. Okay, beside that इसके अलावा भी, okay, means those are the non-veg things. Okay, meat, fish and chicken, this is also give us fat. Okay, these food items. After that, now vitamins. Next thing, vitamins. How we get vitamins and minerals? If you have vegetables, अगर आप सब्जियां खाते हो, okay, you get vitamins and minerals from the vegetables and fruits. Fruits are the major source of minerals. Okay, different types of minerals. Clear? Now how I explain you about the nutrients. What are the meaning of the nutrients? These are the substances those are present in our food. Okay, food items, and we give them name, means carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, minerals, fats. These are the nutrients. And where the nutrients present? They are present in the food item, in the food. Okay, clear? This thing given in your chapter. Okay, now open the page number 33, this page. Okay, now see the paragraph first. What is given, I explain you about it. Okay, I already explained you this thing, but once I read for you that paragraph. Page number 33, paragraph, first paragraph. Okay, chapter number 6, food and nutrition. Clear? Now all living, first line, all living things need food for the survival. Okay, this thing I explain you about it, why we eat food, why do we need food? Because all the living beings need energy to survive. Okay, are doing any work. सो वी हैव फूड, हम इसीलिए खाना खाते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ फूड गिव्स देम not only energy to work, play and live, but also keeps them fit and healthy. Okay, clear? This thing given na, the food keeps them means हमें keeps us fit and healthy. How? Because if we don't eat anything, I give you example na, if I don't give you food फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, अगर एक बहुत ज़्यादा समय तक हम आपको खाना नहीं देंगे तो व्हाट हैपन, योर बॉडी रिस्पॉन्स अगेंस्ट डेट. ओके, यू आर फीलिंग वेरी लेजी. ओके, एंड विच थिंग हैपन विथ यू, यू नॉट कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन योर वर्क, एंड आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम यू आर नॉट एबल टू वर्क, नॉट एबल टू टॉक. मीन्स these are the effects if you don't have anything, means आप कुछ नहीं खाएंगे. ओके, तो योर बॉडी रिस्पॉन्स अगेंस्ट डेट, आपकी बॉडी रिएक्ट करने लग जाएगी. क्लियर? नाउ फूड कंटेन्स, थर्ड लाइन, फूड कंटेन्स सब्सटेंसेस कॉल्ड न्यूट्रिएंट्स. आई एक्सप्लेन यू what are the nutrients. These are the substances, those are present in the food item which provide nourishment to our body. The main nutrients in the food are carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals. I explain you about that and how we get these nutrients. Okay, the main nutrients in the food are carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals. Food also contains roughage and water. What is the meaning of the roughage? The roughage are the roughages. These word given ROUGHAGES. These are the fibers. Okay, those are present in the different types of food items. Basically these are present in the fruits and vegetables. Okay, these are the means thread like structures, and those are help to our body or our stomach to digest the food. Okay, these are already present in the food items. Vitamins present, if the vitamins present in the vegetables and fruits, roughage is also there. Okay, these are the thread like structures, those are present in the vegetables and fruits, and it help to digestion of the food. Okay, means they are help to our body. Okay, to digest the food. Clear? Roughage means these are the structures, those are present in the thread like structures. Okay, those are present in the vegetables and fruits and all the food items, and it help to our stomach to digest the food. Okay, means these are help our body or our stomach to digest the food. Okay, now and water also a nutrients, and roughage and water both are help our body to digest the food. Means they are these two things help our body to digestion of the food. Okay, clear? Now in this chapter, see students, this table given and this side the name of the nutrients given. Okay, basically there are 7 types of nutrients. How many types? 7 types of nutrients. And I also wrote their name, but once again I write for you here. First is carbohydrate. Now the number 2 is protein. Number 3 vitamins. Minerals. Dietary fibers. Now the number 6 is fat. And last is water. Look here, students. The main nutrients, those are most necessary for our body. First is carbohydrates, second is proteins, 3 is vitamins, 4th number is minerals, 5 dietary fibers. Dietary fibers means roughly I explained you na. And these are help our body, our stomach to digestion, in the digestion of food. Okay. And fats, we get fats from the non-vegetable things. Those and oil, ghee means milk product give us fats. Okay. Now the water. Water is a natural nutrients. Nature give us that nutrient na. Clear? Now these are 7 types of nutrients. Carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, minerals, dietary fibers, fats and water. Clear? Understand? What are the nutrients? Where the nutrients present? How we get the nutrients? How many types of nutrients? I explain you about that. Okay? The nutrients, we get nutrients through the food. How we get food? We get food from the animals and plants. Okay? Clear? The source of the food is basically 2. Animals and plants. Clear? Now, we get different types of food items from the plants. Okay? We use each and every part of a plant as a food item, not a single plant. Different types of plants, we use different types of different types of plants. Okay, we use leaf of some plants. I explain you in the chapter number 5, but once again I revise for you. We have root, stem, leaf, fruits, bark, flower. Means human beings use each and every part of different types of plant. Okay, clear? Now we get second types of source of food is animals. Okay, so we eat, those are the non-vegetarian. They have fish, chicken, egg, meat. Clear? So these are the 2 sources of food, and we get different types of nutrients from these food items. Okay? Carbohydrates, we get carbohydrates from the food grains or cereals. Protein, we get protein from the pulses and also egg. Egg are the rich source of protein. Now, vitamins and minerals. we get vitamins and minerals from the vegetables and fruits. Clear? And also dietary fibers, those are already present in our food. Okay, clear? All the food items have dietary fibers. These dietary fibers help our stomach to digest the food. Now the fats, dry fruits and all the milk products are the rich source of food, and some seeds also give us fats, means oil. How we get oil? From the some seeds of plant, means sesame, soybean, groundnut, walnut, almond. If we crush them, we get oil, and oil is the rich source of fats. Clear? Now water. Water are the natural nutrients. This thing give us nature. Clear? So nutrients, though these are the substances, those are present in our food item. Now how many types of nutrients? There are 7 types of nutrients. I already wrote here name of the nutrients. Okay, and you also know about that. Clear? In this chapter I introduce you about the nutrients. Clear? After that, how they work for our body, we will discuss about it. Okay, means how the carbohydrates work for our body, how the protein, vitamins, minerals, these dietary fibers, how they function for our body. Okay, clear? We should discuss about that in this chapter. Clear? Now how the nutrients function for our body. So in first we will discuss about the function of the carbohydrate. What are the sources of the carbohydrate, which food items give us carbohydrates, and how they function for our body. Clear? Look page number 33. Okay, this paragraph. Clear? And some picture also given here. Which food item give us carbohydrates? Okay. Potatoes, rice, sugar and bread. Okay. But before that we read this paragraph. Okay, put your finger on the line. Carbohydrates are also called energy giving food. Okay, energy giving food because they give us energy to work and perform different activities. We get carbohydrates in 2 forms: sugar and starch. Food rich in carbohydrates are rice, wheat, potato, bread, sugar, etc. Okay. However, we should not eat more quantity of carbohydrate than what is required by our body. Doing this may make us fat. The people who do more physical work must eat a diet rich in carbohydrates. Now I give you example na in the chapter number 5 ki when you ride your bicycle or when you play a game, any game, after that you become very weak and you want to eat something. This thing happen with you. जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, साइकिल चला लेते हो, उसके बाद भूख लगती है ना, खेल के आते हो उसके बाद मम्मी को क्या कहते हो कि मम्मी भूख लगी है, तो क्या करते हो, खाना खाते हो ना, या कुछ भी खाते हो. ओके, सो तो दीज आर द कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. दैट टाइम योर बॉडी रिक्वायर्ड कार्बोहाइड्रेट, आपकी बॉडी को कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स की जरूरत होती है. क्लियर? These are the energy giving food. Okay. And how players and hard worker. People those are doing more physical work. Now you are the kids, आप अभी छोटे बच्चे हो. Your body require more carbohydrates. Okay, why? Because you are invest your energy in the different types of work. Okay, you are playing, you ride your bicycles after, and if you are playing in the garden, you are you use different types of swings and different types of activities. Okay, you are doing different types of activities, so your body require more carbohydrates. Okay, and those are the hard worker, means जो लोग मजदूरी करते हैं, तो उनकी बॉडी को बहुत ज़्यादा कार्बोहाइड्रेट की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. ओके, मीन्स दोज आर द हार्ड वर्कर, दे यूज देयर हैंड, लेग. ओके, तो दे रिक्वायर्ड मोर कार्बोहाइड्रेट. ओके, एंड व्हाट आर द सोर्स ऑफ द कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स? Two source, means sugar and starch. And where we found these two things, sugar and starch, means sweet things. If you have sweet or any other dish, those are prepared by the sugar. Okay, if you have that dish, you get carbohydrates. And starch basically we get from the food grains. Okay, means wheat. अगर आप रोटी खा लोगे तो you get starch. If you have rice, आप अगर rice, पोहा खाओगे, those things are prepared by the rice, so you get starch. Okay, means starch present in the food grains. Okay, clear? And what is the color of starch? White. This starch present in the food grains. Okay, clear students? Food grains means wheat, rice, maize, oats. If you have them, so you get carbohydrates. Sugar means all the sweet things. Those are the sweet in the taste. So you get carbohydrates. Okay, clear? Now